Hi guys, there we go. We have Chef Arael in the casa, in-house, with Chef's Project. Today he's going to show us some exotic urban stuff to make, simple stuff. But you can do it at home. But you know, I don't want to steal the show. I'll let him run the show. But I just wanted to say that we'll thank you for coming over and helping us out here. This is a dish I have not tried yet, so I'm really looking forward to it. So he will explain everything step by step, how this works, the whole 9 yards. All right, guys, Chef. Well, thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Well, you know, good luck with the video, and we're all waiting for you to tell us all about this. Now, I'm gonna go behind the camera.
Great.
If you need any help, you know where to find me. Right
Okay.
there.
Hey guys, my name is Arael Gomez. This dish is Salpicon. It's made with beef, shredded. I mean, it's cooked and shredded. Very traditional way of serving, especially starters like ceviches, salpicons, or just tostadas, like with some fried beans and smashed and fried beans, and some lettuce and hot sauce. That's a very typical way to serve these ladies. So, if I know in the States you don't have any access to those, so we just had to go to the store, buy some tortillas, and fry them till they're very crisp, like this. And we have to boil the meat for 2 hours minimum, with some onion, just a little bit of salt, and garlic. You have to make this
All right. Well, just
Okay.
take the fats out, right?
Mhm.
Pretty much. Yeah. I mean, you just kind of clean it out.
yeah.
And I mean, you can see how he's doing it. It's just shredding it into tiny little pieces. I guess it becomes easier to mix it together later on.
Yeah.
Good, good.
Great. I finally finished with my shredding of the meat, and I think it looks very good. You can see those tiny guys. Just leave them, because this will add some texture. Some of the fatty parts like this, just leave them. That'll make a funnier texture to your salpicon. So I'm gonna throw the meat into the bowl, so we can mix it later with the other
Would you like this?
ingredients.
Okay. All right.
So what's next? I'm gonna start chopping. Let's start with the lettuce. Chopping lettuce, just by removing just a little bit of this white, just a little, with the hand. It works. You do. Well, first I'm gonna put them all along, but later, because it's finger food. It's gonna be finger food. So
It's like an appetizer, right?
yeah, like an appetizer. So I don't want this lettuce that long. So I'm gonna put them just a little bit like this.
Even shorter, yeah.
Yeah, a little shorter, so it doesn't fall from your tostada, for example. Do this.
Oh, so you're going to mix everything together?
Yes.
Is that the idea? Oh, okay. That sounds
That's
pretty
it,
good.
yeah. Okay.
All
let's
right.
Do this. I'll put this here. Right. I really like some things I really like from cooking and from the food as well is the flavor of onion,
yeah.
especially red onion.
Red onion is amazing. It's really tasteful.
Sweet and savory at the same time. We're gonna slice them. As well as I did with the lettuce, I love thin slices, so none of the ingredients overpower the other one.
Right.
The other,
So well balanced, basically,
Yes.
right?
so you can see. I think that's enough. So that's a good size for.
Oh, that's a good size. Right, right.
Para mí estaría perfecto. To me that would be great.
Sure.
So let's see how it looks.
Look at that. It's coming together quite nicely.
In order to make a good vinaigrette, we are going to mix. That's a very good. That's a very cool. How lovely is that?
Well, let's see if it works.
I really like this.
This is old school, brother. Old school.
We will remove the seeds later. So let's squeeze 1.5 or 2 limes maybe. Let's first remove the seeds. Okay, here we go. Here we go, here we go.
All right.
And then
There goes the white vinegar.
let's add some white vinegar. Let's see, maybe 4 spoons. Really good. And then I think I'm going to need your help, so we can
Yeah,
make
tell
a
me.
proper
Okay, yeah.
vinaigrette. And you add the oil while I'm.
All right. So you want me to hold the ball?
Yeah.
All right, coming
No,
on.
not to hold them. To
Just-
pour.
okay.
pour just first, I'm going to
Okay, you got it.
add some salt. That will be enough. So, no.
Is this too big? Oh, you
This
want
is
to
too
use
big.
that white one, maybe?
I'm going to use it. Great.
I mean, if you need 4, we can get it. Okay, all right, well, let's try.
That will be.
Yeah?
Not to add twice as the volume that it used to be there. I think that will be enough.
All right, there you go.
It's fine. This is a basic vinaigrette.
All right.
Fun to make. You can make it as well in a blender. Just
Yeah, or you can use a fork
or a fork and
Yeah, right,
just to
right.
make the different densities of the liquids.
Right.
We do this. And we're almost ready to finish this.
Hey, one question, Chef. How much meat did we have? How much beef? It was beef, I know, but how much was it? Was it 300 or I think it was 400 grams, right?
400 grams, 300 or 400 grams.
Yeah, I think it's about
for
right.
a portion
Yeah.
like this.
Right.
I mean, like. Three of them, like this.
All right. There you go. It's pretty simple operation, but it tastes really yum. I mean, it looks really yummy. Let's see.
And let's put an
That's
extra
pretty much
slice.
it, huh? There you go. Look at that.
Look at that. Some extra cilantro.
Mm-hmm.
Or to add more, a little bit more aroma. And
I mean, if they want, can they put something on top of that, like hot salsa or cream? Is that a personal
hot
choice?
salsa, yeah. I know there's an idea of Mexican food. It's like something with tortilla and cream on top of everything. Let's just finish this. Put in some olive oil here.
All right. Well, look at that. That looks awesome.
There you go.
Great. That looks great, man. Thank you.
Hope you.
I'm gonna try this out. So, Chef Arael has finished this. It looks awesome, guys. This looks really great. Well, you go first. If you make it, I'll try it.
Okay. How will we do that? Okay.
Well, we'll just go like this.
Start.
Ah. It's awesome. The taste is very refreshing. It's really good. I mean, you noticed how simple, it's step by step, of course, but how simple it was to make such a delicious appetizer. Well, one of the questions came to my mind. I asked earlier behind the camera. If somebody wants to add, like, I mean, come on, in the US we love sour cream. We put sour cream on everything, even on pancakes.
Okay.
All right. So if somebody wants to add something extra,
Something extra.
would that it's a personal choice, or?
It's a personal choice. I mean, fresh cheese, for example.
Okay.
Shred as well, or how do you?
Yeah, shredded cheese, right.
Shredded cheese,
Any
it's
specific
sour
cheese?
cream,
Uh-huh.
and of course, more más aguacate.
Oh, of course. what kind of cheese do you recommend?
Well, here in Mexico we have queso ranchero, or the ranchero
Yeah,
cheese,
right.
which is just fresh pressed.
Right, it works out
Cheese,
pretty good. All right, well, again, looks like it's your choice. Whatever cheese that you rather want, just dump right or put it on top of it. Well, we have some hot salsa here. It's just made out of chili and whole. I mean, I like it spicy, so I'm going to just try it again. A little bit with For my taste, it's pretty good. I mean, I like it spicy. Well, guys, thank you very much for joining us. Please look for us or look for Chef Arael on our website. Right there, chefsproject.com. We'll be introducing his next class online. Thank you.